Hey YouTube, I just wanted to do a quick video about the pass key that I pulled out of the 1998 Chevy Silverado. The problem I was having is that my security light was steadily staying on. It wasn't turning off no matter what I did, it was just on. And then whenever I hooked up the scan tool to the truck, there was no communication with the Passlock module. Not sure what was wrong with it. I did a codes clear and it made the truck to where it wouldn't start anymore. But I was about to spring to buy a refurbished Passlock, which you guys are familiar with these. That's my part number right there. And I just thought, you know, these guys are refurbishing these. There's got to be something going on inside of here that's causing it to mess up. And so I was actually able to fix mine. Believe it or not, it's been working flawlessly for about a week now. And I just wanted to kind of share with everybody what I did. It's real easy. Well, I can't say it's easy to get to this module. It's actually hidden behind the dash. But there's a lot of videos on YouTube that will show you how to get it out. Once you get it out, it's really easy to open up. And let me show you what I did to fix mine. It was really easy. Give me just a minute and I'll reset the camera up. What I'm gonna do is just reflow all the solder joints that are on the pins that go through the board. And I'll show you an example. Hang on. Okay, so to open this board, or to get to the board, it's really easy. You just pop these off. No, don't do that. No. Okay, so if you look at this, you'll see you've got all your chips and resistors and everything on this side, but if you turn it over, you can actually feel all the pins that come through the board. They're going to be sticking up to where you can feel them. So what I actually did is I reflowed all the solder joints that are on the pins coming through the board. And all you do to reflow them is just touch them and it heats the solder. And I don't know if you could tell, once it reflows, it changes colors. Sometimes you gotta get it to it at a different angle. Probably just not enough solder on these to reflow. Okay. So anywhere there's a pin coming through the board, you just want to touch it and remelt that solder so that if there's a crack in it, it'll make the connection. Just make sure you don't desolder anything off. Okay, so these are the main ones. These are on the, and the board that I did, it had a big old black mark burned out right here where it looked like it would, I don't know what happened to it, but that's how it was when I fixed it. And all I did is come back here on the back side and redo all the solder joints. Just touch it, put a little pressure, you'll feel the pin start to bend a little bit. Tip off. Sure, these are usually okay, but this is exactly what I did to mine to fix mine, so that's why I wanted to show it. That's pretty much it. I hope this helps, and you know, hopefully you can save yours and save yourself some money without having to purchase one of these refurbished and make it work. Good luck to everybody, and I hope it helps. Have a good day.